Let's do an acupressure tutorial for easing anxiety and helping with sleep. Hi, I'm Dr. Christy, board certified acupuncturist and herbalist, and these are two symptoms that I hear often in clinic. And so I wanted to create an at-home tutorial for you to do nightly to help benefit anxiety and with sleep. And so we're going to just be using our hands today. If you have a gua sha tool, you also can use that as well. And we're going to be applying pressure to 5 different acupressure points and helping ease the nervous system and prepare our body for rest. So we can do these acupressure techniques sitting down like I am, or we can do it laying down in bed as a prep to go to sleep, or even standing up. So I'll be sitting down for this tutorial today, but choose whatever feels most comfortable for you. So let's begin by first taking a deep breath in and a long exhale out. And we're just preparing to go inward and to calm down that nervous system. So the first point that we're going to be doing today is called Tang, and it's located in the center of the forehead, right in between the eyebrows, also where the third eye is. And so for this point, we're going to be applying pressure as we continue to breathe. Deep inhale in and long exhale out. And if you feel like movement is necessary, if that feels better for you, you also can go in a clockwise motion. Sometimes for me, even stroking up is helpful if it feels like there's a lot on my mind. And we'll be here for a few more breaths, just helping to stimulate this point and helping to ease the mind as we come back into our body. And again, inhale in and exhale out. And if you have a gua sha tool, this is what that looks like. I just like to use the side of my gua sha tool. And again, stimulating this point called Yin Tang in a circle or with direct pressure. And we want to feel the deep sensation of calmness right in the front of our head. And again, connecting to your breath. Perfect. So the second point we'll be doing is called Mian, which translates to peaceful sleep, and it's located right behind the ear. So I will show you where this is located. So we'll locate a point right behind the earlobe, go back about an inch and a little up. And it'll feel like a tender depression right on the other side of that bone. And for this point, I like to use my thumb or a gua sha tool. And so it looks like direct pressure where this thumb is, and then my other fingers can be extended here. And again, direct pressure to this point as we breathe in and as we breathe out. And for me, it feels like this point can use additional pressure. So if I do have an acupressure tool, like a gua sha tool, I can just locate that point and put more pressure here as I breathe in and out. And let's breathe again in and out. And for me, this one feels really tender, and sometimes I could even feel sensations coming down from the head. And that's exactly the energetic that we want to work with, just a descent in energy, so it feels like anything that's accumulating in the mind or just in our energy can come down and settle in as we prepare for bed. And let's breathe in one more time and out. So the third point we'll be working with today is located on the chest, and it's called Ren 17 or chest center. And to locate this point, we just go to the midline and we go to a tender depression right in the middle of the chest. And you'll feel that it feels sore to the touch, and it feels like a little bit achy even below the surface. And so if that's how it feels for you, you're in the right location. So again, let's take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And this point here helps release energy in the chest, any breathing that we're holding, any stale air. It also helps to send the diaphragm, and it feels like we're able to access more of that breath freely in the upper chest. And let's breathe in and out. And again, if you're using a gua sha tool, what this would look like is going right to that point and putting pressure here directly, or making small circles here to help activate that point. And for me, it feels really tender, and it's just a reminder to come back into my breath, connect with it more often. Let's breathe in. Let's breathe out. And sometimes when I'm working here, I notice too that my exhales can feel a little bit deeper and the inhales can be a little bit longer. So pay attention to what your body is showing you by using these points. And again, in and out. The fourth point we'll be working with today is located on the wrist, and it is right at the wrist crease on the other side of the tendon in the hollow depression here. And this point is called Heart 7 or Shen or Spirit Gate. And this helps calm the mind, ease anxiety, and helps calm the nervous system. So I'll be showing you right in front of the body here. And for me, it feels like it can use a little bit more pressure with my thumb or with a gua sha tool. So again, let's breathe in deep here and out. Another hand position that I like when stimulating this point is to put my hand on my abdomen here, and I switch to my index finger, and it helps me connect with my breath in the palm of my hand as I'm stimulating this point. And we'll breathe in and out. And while stimulating this point, it feels like my shoulders are coming down a little bit more, and like I'm getting out of my head, and it feels like I'm coming back into my body, into my breath. And let's breathe in and out. And if you're using a gua sha tool, it'll be the same location, and again, the point of the gua sha tool will stimulate that point. And breathe in and out. And this point for me feels really sore, but really good. And it feels like I'm able to exhale a little bit deeper here. And let's do one more breath together. Let's breathe in and out. The last point we'll be doing today is located at the bottom of your foot, and it is in the center of your foot at the top third junction, right in this area here. And it'll feel like a tender depression here as well. For me, if I'm using my hands, I like to use 2 thumbs in this point and apply a little bit of deeper pressure. And this is the first point on the kidney meridian called Bubbling Spring, and it is where our foot makes contact with the floor. And let's breathe in with this point and out. And this point has a calming effect, and it feels like all of the energy that tends to rise can just be grounded and go back into the bottom of our feet, back into the earth. And if we're using a gua sha tool here, it's the same point. We're going to put it right in the center of the foot at that top third and apply pressure directly or with circles as we continue to breathe in and out. And you'll notice in this practice, we're starting up above and ending at the feet. We want all of the energy from the day to calm down as well. And so this point should feel really soothing, and it should feel like we're able to get just a little bit more comfort throughout this channel and a little bit more ease in the body. And let's take one more deep breath in here and exhale out. So that was our short practice to help calm anxiety and to help with rest. I'm feeling so relaxed in my body in the moment, and it feels like I'm just more grounded and connected, and I hope you feel the same. Feel free to come back to this practice as a nightly routine, and watch how your body and your nervous system continue to shift as you find deeper rest. I'll see you next time.